Hello everyone. Today, I wish to demonstrate how to use the Bing AI image generator. First and foremost, you need to open your preferred web browser. As soon as your browser is open, you should type Bing AI image generator in the search bar. After typing this, simply hit Enter, and you will be directed to a new webpage. Upon opening the new webpage, you will see the link for the AI image generator. Click on it, and a new format will begin to appear. As soon as this new format is visible, you can see a place where we can generate AI images with ease. Let's go ahead and provide a prompt. In this prompt, we can give a command and see how it responds. Let's create an example. Create an image of a lion standing on a mountain. After typing this, you just need to press Enter. Once you've pressed Enter, if you scroll a bit, you will notice a loading bar. You can see that when this loading process is complete, your image will be generated automatically. You don't need to do anything else. As you can see, your image has been generated. You can observe the level of detail it has achieved based on the command I provided. Let's try generating something else. First, let's clear the previous text. After removing the text, type the following command. Create a Disney-style movie poster featuring a character named Disaster Girl with the movie title Hope. Let's see how it creates a Disney-style movie poster. After typing this command, simply press Enter. Using the same formula, if you scroll down a bit, you will notice the loading bar. Once the loading is completed, your image will be ready for you to use. There you go, your image has been generated. Now, you can open any of these images. You can see how well it has followed my prompt with intricate detailing. If you wish to download the image, simply click on the download button and the image will be saved to your device. That's it for now. You can generate a variety of images using this method. This was the process of using the Bing AI image generator. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.